Hello dear children, good morning everyone, and it's time for English class. Today once again we shall revise about notice writing. Okay, now yesterday we read about notice, that what actually is a notice. So notice is a small piece of writing which is used to convey the information about any event, occasion or any kind of celebration to the people who could be interested in it, isn't it? So notices are used especially to give the information, especially to convey any kind of information about any kind of celebration, any kind of event, any kind of function or occasion that is going to take place. And notices can be written in the schools. In schools, notices are beneficial for the students, that if they are to be given any kind of information about any of the events, and also it is beneficial for the teachers, that if authorities want to give any kind of information to the teachers, so that can be given through notice writing. And notice writing is also beneficial for the residential areas, that in residential areas where so many people live, if any cultural program is to be organized, or any competition, any kind of exhibition, any kind of march, any lecture, any kind of meeting is to be held, so about that a notice can be written and information can be given to the residents over there. And then after that we also read that what are the main points that should include in the notice writing. Okay, so the various points are that contents a catchy heading. Okay, content includes a catchy heading. Catchy heading means that is an attractive heading we have to give to our notice writing. And then the body part of the notice writing, and the body part contains 5 W's. Now what are 5 W's? Like here it is given: function, event, program, meeting, notice should have. So 6 points should include in this second point, which makes the body part of the notice. So first is name of the event, that is whichever name or any celebration, any event, any kind of program is to be held, any kind of function is to be held, so you have to write its name, that is which event is going to take place. As I said, about 5 W's. So first W stands for which, that is the name of the event. Then second is date or time of function, event or program. Now date and time you have to mention, that is when, second W. Okay, the date, time of function or event or program you have to mention. And the third place is there the function. So third point will go with when, where, place you have to mention, venue. And then fourth point, target audience or invitees, etc. Now who are the target audience, that is for whom you want to write this notice writing, that is who. Okay, so first point which, second when, third where, fourth who, and then sixth point is there whom. Now fifth is given, that instruction related to entrance, that if any kind of relevant information is there that you want to give about the program or any kind of event, so that you can give. And sixth point will take with it that whom, that is to whom you have to contact if you want to get the further details. Okay, so 5 W's you should always remember in notice writing. So first is, and this should be always in sequence, that which event, and then when, and then third where, and then target audience means that is who, and then sixth is whom. Okay, now different types of notices writings are there, like tours and treks. If you have to write, then it will include these 5 points which are given on the other side. And then lost and found notices are there, then these 6 points which are given just below it, so those you will have to mention. Okay, so this is just for your revision's sake I repeated it, and now I will teach you that how to write a notice writing. Okay, now see, this notice we have to write. Question is given to us that you are the president of a children's club in your locality. You and your team are planning to organize a program to celebrate Teachers' Day. Write a notice to put up in the local market giving details of the program and to create an awareness of the event. Suppose this is the question, this is the notice writing that you have to write. Okay, so what is given? Once again I'll read out that you are the president of children's club in your locality. You and your team are planning to organize a program to celebrate Teachers' Day. Write a notice to put up in the local supermarket giving details of the program to create an awareness of the event. Okay, so if you have to write a notice writing, so yesterday we had learned that the first thing that we have to mention is the catchy heading, that is an attractive heading, an eye appealing heading you have to write at first. And so as you have seen that in this, what is given, that you have to write regarding the Teachers' Day. Okay, you have to write regarding the Teachers' Day, that Teachers' Day has to be celebrated, and you and your team are planning for it. So you have, and you are also the president of children's club in your locality. That means your designation is given. Your designation is given that you are the president. Okay, this you have to keep in mind. As you are the president, it is given you are the president of children's club. So children's club will be organizing it in your locality, and you and your team are planning to organize a program to celebrate Teachers' Day. So which event you are going to celebrate? You are going to celebrate Teachers' Day. Now you have to write a notice to put up in the local supermarket giving details of the program to create an awareness of the event. That is, you have to give the details of the program to create an awareness of the event, so that people may get aware of it and they also may take interest in organizing and celebrating this event of Teachers' Day. Okay, so first thing that I told you was that we have to write an eye appealing heading. Okay, so the heading that we can give is thank you teacher. Okay, any other heading also can be given if you think so. Thank you teacher. Okay, so this heading we have given to this notice, so that whoever may see the first point of this thank you teacher, so he will take an interest to read, okay, that what is written in this notice writing. And you have to keep in mind that the title that you are giving, an eye appealing heading that you are giving, that has to be written in the at the center of the line. Okay, thank you teacher. Then after that you can leave a line, and then you have to write about the event, that which event you are going to celebrate. So here it is given that a cultural program is there, a program to celebrate Teachers' Day. Okay, so you can write like this. You don't start from the corner. Okay, you don't have to start from the corner. Little bit space you have to leave on left hand side also, and also on the right hand side. So you can write that a cultural program to celebrate Teachers' Day, to celebrate Teachers' Day. Okay, and then this is our second. Now see, eye catchy title we have given, and then a cultural program to celebrate Teachers' Day, that is the name of the event we have given. What is the event, which event you are going to celebrate? Teachers' Day. Okay, and then next point is you have to mention that when it will be celebrated. As we know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th of September every year, so we'll mention the same date on 5th September 2020. Okay, so this is the date on which your event will be celebrated, and then you have to mention time. So it will be celebrated from, as you are celebrating Teachers' Day in your locality, so that can be celebrated during the evening hours also. like 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. This is an ideal time to celebrate any occasion. So from 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. and then you have to mention that venue, that is the place where. So at community hall, suppose any hall is there in your locality, so there it will be celebrated, community hall. Now as I told you yesterday that whenever you mention about the venue, so it should go with small to big. Okay, that is two things you should keep, you have to write. Suppose name of the place will come after, and before that you have to mention that is at which place in the in that locality it will be celebrated. So at community hall, and where it will be, where is this hall, so that also you have to mention. So this hall is in like you can write South Mall. Okay, any place you can write that this hall is present in this South Mall. And then after that you have to mention about, that is to whom you have to concern if you are interested or if you want to have the more details about this event. So here all the teachers, now you can also call all the teachers who are present in that area, or if you want to call the residents, so that also you can mention. So all the teachers who are residents of the South City complex are cordially invited. Now see, you have mentioned about all the teachers, you are inviting all the teachers. And why you are all inviting all the teachers? Because you are going to celebrate Teachers Day only. Okay, so teachers will come there, and then those who, all those teachers who live in that residential area of South City complex, okay, so they all will come, they all are invited cordially, that is very warmly you have written that they are invited, and then they will be pleased to read, and then they will come. And then after that, as this was given, that you are the president of a children's club in your locality. Okay, you are the president of a children's club in your locality, so you have to write your designation also. So here what you can do is you can write your name, like here write your full name on the left hand corner, and then you can write about your designation, and designation is given here. Okay, designation is given in your question only, that you are the president. So here president of children's club, so you can write your full name and then children's club and president. Okay, so this is your notice writing. In this way only you have to practice the other papers as well, other practice papers which are given in the Total English.